Today I'm going to teach you how to add spacing between bullet point lines in Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful when you want your email campaigns to look more polished and easier to read, especially when working with dense lists or content that needs better visual breathing room. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to access your campaigns. Click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. This will take you to your campaign dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing efforts. Now, you have two options here. You can either open an existing campaign that you'd like to edit, or if you're starting fresh, click Create Campaign, then select Email and click Begin. For the purpose of this tutorial, since we're focusing on customization, we'll assume you already have an existing campaign email ready to edit. This makes it easier to demonstrate the spacing adjustments directly. Next, locate and click on the text block that contains your bullet points. You'll want to click directly on it to highlight and select it. This ensures you're editing the correct section of your email template. Once the text block is selected, look over to the left side menu panel. Here you'll find a section labeled Code. Before we dive into the HTML, take a moment to copy this code snippet that's shown on your screen to your clipboard. The code should look something like this, with the structure that says, then enter your bulleted item here. This will be the template you'll use throughout the editing process. Now, within the HTML code view, you need to locate each lie tag. These tags are what start each of your bullet points in the code. They're the foundation of your list structure, and by modifying them, you'll be able to control the spacing between lines. Edit the first lie tag by replacing it with the code we created earlier, then enter your bulleted item text. This modification adds inline styling that controls the spacing specifically for that bullet point. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Repeat this exact process for every lie tag in your code. Each bullet point needs to have the same code structure added inside it. This ensures consistency across your entire list and gives you uniform spacing throughout. Here's where the customization comes in. If you find that 18px isn't quite right for your design, you can adjust the pixel spacing to more or less as needed. For tighter spacing, try something like 10px, or if you want more breathing room, increase it to 25px or higher. This flexibility lets you tailor the look to match your brand's style perfectly. Once you're satisfied with how the spacing looks and everything appears clean and readable, click on Save and Exit. You've now successfully customized the spacing between your bullet point lines, making your Mailchimp campaign look more professional and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.